Lions and tigers and bears in my taco? What's up, everybody? This is Rena Karefa-Johnson with your Buzz 60 Disgusting or Delicious. Taco Fusion, a taco joint in Tampa, Florida, has an exotic take on the Mexican classic. A $35 lion meat taco. The taco is part of their line of safari tacos, which have everything from bison and rattlesnake to shark and gazelle. The lion taco especially is causing quite the controversy. Outraged critics have made bomb threats on the restaurant and even thrown punches at employees. So what do we think about all this? Is it disgusting or delicious? I vote disgusting. Whether or not you agree with exotic meats, I think we can all agree that you don't need to kill a lion or pay $35 to make a taco delicious. That's just disrespecting the taco's power. And ever since the Taco Bell horse meat scandal, it's really just poor marketing to put weird meat and taco in the same sentence. Buzz 60, now you know. Pass it on.